Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best wood lathes that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Wood Lathes. Wood lathes are an important tool for all woodworkers, from beginners to the pros. There are no other tools that can do what they can do, but it can be challenging to find a good brand among the many available, and at a few $100s, there is no room for error. We've chosen 10 different brands that are easy to find online and in hardware stores across America. Number 5. Mophorn Wood Lathe 12 by 18 inch benchtop wood lathe. Cast iron constructed wood lathe with rubber feet, providing increased stability and smooth operation. Main features: variable speed 500-3800 RPM. High quality electronic units. 550 watts powerful motor. Number 4. Wendt 3424T 4.5 amp 12 inch by 18 inch 5-speed benchtop wood lathe. The 4.5A motor provides maximum torque while the sturdy 70+ pound build prevents walking and wobbling during operation. Main features: 18 inches long and 12 inches wide. Switch between 5 different speeds. Easy to use. Number 3. Pachine Mini Lathe Beats Polisher Machine DIY CNC Machining Wood Lathe. Designed for the home DIY enthusiasts, small and portable, strong power. Not suitable for mass production or commercial use. Main features: thick aluminum base. High precision. Maximum turning diameter 70 mm. Number 2. 200 watts CNC Mini Lathe Machine Tool DIY Woodworking Wood Lathe. Transparent to organic dust-proof glass cover, super convective cooling hole. The welding line is covered with a full heat shrinkable tube. Main features: super large torque ball bearing motor. Maximum rotating speed 8000 RPM. High quality aluminum. Number 1. Wendt 3421 3.2 amp 8 inches by 12 inches mini benchtop wood lathe. The easy-to-use lever clamping system makes adjustments to both the tool rest. Main features: variable speed motor. 2.3 inch base plate. 12 inches long and 8 inches wide. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.